You have challenges. NASA has innovation and research to help.
Solar energy is a widely used power source in space exploration. Despite the many advances, there are limitations to current solar energy and power generating methods and devices. Numerous inorganic energy harvesting materials have been developed to increase the efficiency at which electrical power can be generated from solar energy. However, these inorganic energy harvesting materials have poor mechanical properties, such as being brittle, and they come with high cost, which limit their applications. Researchers at NASA Langley Research Center have developed a dual solar energy harvesting film that offers maximized energy generation and a flexible film form, a novel method to apply for deployable space structures.
This method provides more efficient solar energy harvesting properties. The flexible film is lightweight and allows for better processing, higher efficiency, and it's much easier to manufacture at a low cost.
NASA's Technology Transfer Program ensures innovations developed for exploration and discovery are broadly available to the public.
To learn more about how the advanced efficiency flexible solar film can help with your product development,
email lark-techtransfer@mail.nasa.gov.